Hi, thanks for joining us today on our Wonders YouTube channel. I'm Nikki, I work at Wonders, and this is
Chase.
Chase is going to be with me while we unbox our January box of Wonders. So let's get started. So, this is what your box of Wonders would come in.
I know it doesn't look like a box of Wonders,
but it's got lots of fun activities in it, okay?
Yippee.
Chase had Box of Wonders over the summer when he did summer camp. Chase, tell us a little bit about what you thought about your Box of Wonders over the summer.
So I obviously think it was the best thing to do in summer.
Mm-hmm.
This is like the first, when I first saw the Box of Wonders, I was like, what is that? And she said it was Box of Wonders, and I opened it, and it was all fun activities. There's a lot of fun stuff.
Yeah? Did you get excited to get a box every week at summer camp?
Yep.
Yeah, that was lots of fun. So now Box of Wonders can come on a monthly basis. And like Chase said, it has a lot of great activities. There's arts and crafts, there's STEM, there's things that we include just to play with, and there's also things that you can do to stay active. Because we want to make sure, especially during this time when everybody is on Zoom and we're doing our virtual school, that we do get time to get outside and exercise and get some fresh air. So there's also something in each Box of Wonders that helps you get outside and just have fun and exercise. Okay?
And it actually you were going to have really a lot of fun.
Yeah. All right, you ready to get started?
Yep.
Okay. So we're going to open our box, and first thing you're going to find,
Wow.
It's pretty fun, isn't it, already?
Yeah.
So the first thing you're going to find is a set of instructions, and it's really important to keep this. Don't throw this away once you open your box. It tells you all the activities that you have, and if you turn the pages, it gives you instructions for some additional activities. So make sure that you have it. If you need help reading it, make sure that you get an older brother or sister or someone in the household, mom or dad, or anybody that can help you read your instructions, but make sure that you do not throw this away. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. First activity. So our first one is going to be a fun emoji beach ball. You're saying probably, what am I going to do with this emoji beach ball? Well,
Yes.
we have some activities for you in your instructions that give you minute to win it challenges. Minute to win it challenges are activities that you can do to try to beat your time from the time before. So for example, this one is count for a minute, put it on a timer for a minute, see how many times you can bounce it up in the air. Do it again, see if you can beat your score.
Or go like this.
Yeah.
That can't really do
Well,
that.
maybe you can bounce it. The ball is yours to do whatever you want. We have some ideas in here for you. Lots of fun. Just be safe and don't break anything in your house. All right. Second thing.
Glass.
Yeah, we don't want to break any glass.
Yeah.
Second thing is bubbles. You may be wondering, what am I going to do with bubbles? Well,
Easy. When it's like really cold out, bubble, keep it on your stick and see if it freezes.
Yes, that's exactly what we're recommending. So when it's a really cold day outside, take your bubbles outside, slowly blow a bubble on your wand, and see how long it takes to freeze. Watch your bubble, see how it changes.
See what it does.
Mm-hmm. And if there's snow on the ground, does the bubble stick to the snow? We know it normally won't stick. It'll pop if it touches other surfaces. But once it's really cold outside, it would be fun to see what kind of surfaces it may sit upon. So some fun stuff with bubbles. All right. Next this is actually pre-packaged for you. This is a constellation viewer, and it has the instructions and all the supplies that you need to do it inside. You can also decorate it if you want. We have some other materials in here to decorate, so this will be a fun activity to do. So
if you don't really have if you don't have all this stuff, maybe I don't know, get your own coloring stuff.
A lot of people have crayons and markers at their house too.
Yeah. Just supplies.
Yeah.
And paper.
Yes. This is one of Chase's favorite activities, so I'm going to let him talk to you about this one. Chase, what is this?
A bouncy ball!
So you guys get to make your own bouncy balls. There's two molds, and then you have 3 colors that you can make your bouncy balls with. And the instructions are in here as well.
4 colors.
No, the orange is the color of the mold. So they have 3 colors. They have purple, green, and yellow.
Yeah, then you put your two colors or colors, whatever you want. You put them in here. Have an adult help you to do this because they helped me. So you get your colors, you pour them in here, put water, and let them sit over for, I don't know.
Yeah, all the instructions are in here with how long you have to keep it. A few minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, a few minutes. But like Chase was saying, you can make all one color or you can mix your colors up so that you have a multicolor bounce
But
ball.
sometimes I can't really do everything.
Yeah. All right. The next thing we have, this is just kind of a fun toy for you guys to play with around the house. And this is a remote control animal. So this box of wonders happens to have a toucan. All the boxes, not every box has a toucan. Some have a lion, some have a tiger. So you might get a different one, but this box has a toucan. So this does require batteries that you'll need to supply from home, but there's a little remote in there and you can play with this little remote control animal. Our next thing that we have is a jump rope. This is an activity that you can do many different things. I think we all pretty much know how to jump rope regularly, but did you know that you can twist it? You can do double jumps, you can do triple jumps.
You can, sometimes it's kind of tricky to like throw it up in the air and jump over it. Sometimes I trip.
Sometimes it takes lots of practice too.
Because I do not ever do that.
So if you're new to jump roping, make sure that you're safe. Make sure that you give yourself plenty of space so that you can do it without breaking anything or hitting anybody with the rope. Okay? Next, we have this, and this is prepackaged for you too. This is called a luminary.
I think this is going to be really fun.
Yes.
So it's easy. You just like
It
open
opens
it up.
And there's a piece in here to attach to it so it stays open.
So you see all these diamonds and stuff. So you see the outside, like see this part?
Mm-hmm.
You put those diamonds on there. You might probably need glue. Or
Yes, we have glue. So your box will have glue in it as well. Gem pieces, like Chase was saying, there's a variety of different gems. You'll be able to glue your gem pieces on here to decorate it. And then you can hang it anywhere that you would like in your house as a decoration.
Well, there's that one.
Yes, thank you. Chase, do you want to tell them what these are? Show them.
So they're pretty much magnets.
Mm-hmm.
And I think you...
Show each shape. Show us each shape.
So,
Butterfly,
cupcake. Pretty much looks like a skull to me.
That's a cupcake.
And
this,
a heart.
Yep, this is a heart. And one side is a magnet. What's the other side?
A scratcher.
So you can take something and scratch it off, and there's colors underneath. So you could write a name. You could just scratch something off to make a picture.
Like, see the end of that one? It's like scratched a little.
Yeah.
I think it might be rainbow.
Yeah, it probably is. Mm-hmm. But these are fun. So you can do these, and you can put them on your refrigerator at home. We also have some paint and a paintbrush in here. If there's anything that we've included that you want to decorate, your luminary or your
Just like this.
Your constellation or your jump rope can even be decorated with markers or paint. So we're giving you paint as well that you can use to decorate. Next, we have these fun, they're called magic noodles.
Yes, so you put them in water, they grow. You can do any kinds of shapes, like...
So your instructions for how these work are in the instructions that are included in your box. And you're gonna wet these lightly with a sponge, and then you can shape them into the different shape that you want. But when you're ready to be done with it, or you just wanna kind of try one to see how fun it is, if you put them in water, they're supposed to dissolve. They're made out of cornstarch. So they easily dissolve.
They are?
Yeah.
Cornstarch.
Cornstarch. So you can make lots of cool stuff. If you Google magic noodles, and noodles is Nuudles, you'll be able to see the fun things that you can do with the magic noodles. Okay?
We saved the best for last.
Best for last.
This is like the most funnest activity you can do.
Do you want to tell them what it is? We're giving you the ingredient to make
Oobleck!
oobleck. Do you guys know what oobleck is?
Did you say oobleck?
Oobleck.
Oobleck.
Am I saying it wrong?
It's oobleck.
Oh, okay, maybe I'm saying it wrong. Oobleck is made with cornstarch. So we're giving you enough to make a few different batches of oobleck. But did you know that oobleck is part of the story by Dr. Seuss, Bartholomew and the oobleck.
And also, if you punch the oobleck, it will not go in. It feels like a solid block.
And then what happens to it when you put it in your hand?
It like sinks like water.
Yeah, so it's kind of like a solid and a liquid. But if you don't have the Dr. Seuss book, Bartholomew and the oobleck, we gave you a YouTube link in your instructions that you can go onto YouTube and listen to a reading of the story and play with your oobleck. Yep, there it is. Thank you. We do recommend, because this is a messier activity, that you maybe put
You might need a good bowl.
Yeah, you do need a bowl.
And a parent.
Yes. You might want to put something down on your table, like maybe a plastic tablecloth or some newspaper or something, so that doesn't make a big mess. All right, we're going to sign off for now. Thanks for visiting us. Thanks for visiting our YouTube channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. Share this video so other kids know about Box of Wonders.
Have a fun day.
Yes, we'll see you in February. Bye.
Bye.